the National Institute of Science, Communication and Policy Research, or NIScPR, of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research organized a national conference on science and technology in India as part of the ongoing national-level Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav series. This virtual conference was organized from 16th to 18th of August with the theme of a historical introspection with a contemporary perspective. The conference was inaugurated by Padma Vibhushan Dr. Raghunath Anant Mashelkar. The conference aimed to situate the contribution of Indian scientists within the freedom movement of India and post-independence era to build a new India, making a global mark. The conference had 6 important sessions covering a vast perspective relating to science and technology and its growth in India.
Basically, this 3 days conference was devised to commemorate or to celebrate our unsung heroes of the history, Indian science in India, and introspection from the historical perspective. So our objective was to devise a program of this conference, 3 days conference, so that we could disseminate the information from the history to the contemporary historical period and from the modern period to our students, stakeholders, policy makers और जो भी academic field में काम कर रहे हैं.
During the 3-day conference, sessions were organized on building the infrastructure of science, learning from the past, important transitions in Indian STI, the last 100 years, academia-industry linkages and entrepreneurship from the colonial times to present, growth of science in India, a quantitative perspective, Indian science in the 21st century, and experiments on learning from the past to the present and the new Education Policy 2020. In addition to these technical sessions, 2 panel discussions were also held. One focused on the presence of women in science and technology, and the second one reflected upon building a new science communication model for closer engagement with the society.
Engagement models are very appropriate for people who don't have access to electronic media, to internet-based media, and people who are living in remote areas where connections are not there, networks are not there. So engagement models are very, very important for them. But as we have already seen during the past 1 year, the pandemic has really dealt a big blow to these engagement models. And as per predictions by scientists, epidemiologists, pandemics are going to recur. They will keep on occurring at regular intervals due to various reasons that we have ourselves created. And so these will occur. So there's no way to go around them. And so models of engagement have to be thought around this problem.
The program was attended by eminent scientists, academicians, researchers and science broadcasters, policy makers of the country, including office bearers associated with participating ministries and departments. Apart from these, a large number of students and researchers also participated in sessions throughout the event.
समाज जब तक विज्ञान का लाभ नहीं ले पाएगा और विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में क्या-क्या नई क्रांतियां आ रही हैं और उससे समाज का विकास कैसे होगा, तो मुझे लगता है ये कॉन्फ्रेंस बेमानी रहेगी. तो इसीलिए एक साइंस कम्युनिकेटर्स, क्योंकि जो विज्ञान संचारक होता है वो साइंस को और सोसाइटी को कनेक्ट करता है, तो एक पैनल डिस्कशन कि हम जितना भी साइंस में, चाहे हमारा साइंटिफिक टेम्परामेंट हो, चाहे साइंटिफिक नॉलेज को डिसैमिनेट करना हो, कम्युनिकेट करना हो, उन सब को हम किन किन माध्यमों से कर सकते हैं और कौन से इफ़ेक्टिव हमारे व्हीकल्स हो सकते हैं जिससे हम समाज के सभी वर्गों को टारगेट कर सकें.
India has had a rich scientific heritage, and this formed the basis of a new India after independence. Today's modern India is progressing based on this knowledge of science and is counted among the scientifically inclined nations of the world. The credit for this achievement goes to all those scientists and visionaries who have helped to build a rational society and push the country forward in the direction of becoming self-reliant.